Let me see you put 'em up. Reach the sky, touch the stars up above. Cause it's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog.
Hello everybody, Gus here from Belgium again. Welcome in this small video tutorial. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily add pages to your WordPress and to your menu of your WordPress website, of course. This is a question that mostly my new students always ask me after they have installed a WordPress theme. So let's not waste time and jump into my screen. So we go back to the dashboard, and of course, really easy as always. Here we see pages. We can click on all pages. Here we see the current pages, but in this example we want to make a new page, right? So we click on add new, and then we will create a dummy page. Let's say my first new page, whatever. Here you see the option use Divi Builder. I'm a huge fan of Divi, by the way. You can find, of course, the link below, but in this example we will use the Divi Builder not. We will use the standard WordPress builder. So let me add, I don't know, an image, whatever, from the media library. Let's doesn't matter. Let me hide my face. Click on select. Here's so you can create a crazy page, small page, big page, doesn't matter. For this test we just want to show you how it works. So we click on publish. So when we go back to all pages, you see my first new page is created. It shows here. Here you see all the published, draft, cornerstone. So draft is not published, published is published, of course. So when we go back, we can also check this option to view the page. Of course, this is a standard page, so we won't see a lot, but this is just for playing and testing. So what we can do is add this page in the menu. Okay, so let's close this. We have several options. Let's go with the most easy one. We go to appearance. We go to menus, and here you see we already have the home and the, what is it, the website company in London. So when we go back to the website, you see two pages, nothing special there. So okay, let's go to the menu, and on the left side you see most recent. You can go for view all also, but this was the page we have just created, right? So we click on my first new page, we click on add to menu, yes, and then of course we save the menu. We go back to the website, we hit refresh. This is the button we need to click, and pam padam, what do we see? Let me, okay, so what do we see? The page is in the menu, so it's really easy, and you see it's already also, sorry, in the footer menu. So for the people who did not saw it, let me go back. Here the footer menu, this one is also marked. So and always click on save menu. So you see, nothing special, really easy to do. So you just go to the dashboard, then we go back to pages. Here you can add new, edit or add the content, and of course hit publish, and then all we need to do is connect it in the menu, and we can do this here on appearance menus. So once again, really easy tutorial video. Yeah, good luck with it. If you have any questions, just comment below, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye.